Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Syara Pangestu with NPM 23170511108 from Class A. I'm here will explain about our project. What's the background of making this software? Property apps will create to meet the needs of modern consumers who rely on technology to search, compare, and buy or rent property. The aim is to increase efficiency and affordability in property transactions, facilitating direct interaction between property agents, owner, and property buyer or tenants. The apps also provide secure and transparency through a review and feedback system, and provide a platform that makes it easy to search for property according to use preference. Thus, property apps are expected to provide effective solution in the growing and increasingly competitive property industry. What's the urgency of project problem solving? In this digital area, searching for properties, rental house, and boarding house online has become increasingly popular. This drives the need for application that can simply the process. Work software workflow. First, initial few sign in, just as buyer or seller, or login for those who already have an account. Two, after login, the home page will appear. Three, on the home page there are news, advertisement from seller, search engine profile, message, service feature, rental and sale feature. 4. After that, the buyer can choose from several features or track search. If you have found the desired property, the buyer can see the description of the sale or lease, location map, and send a message to the seller. 6. The buyer and seller can negotiate in the message feature. 7. The seller can change the price of the property as desired. And the last, if the seller or buyer finds fraud, they can report and complain. Next is feasibility analysis. 1. Technical feasibility. The property sales and home rental apps system is technically feasible, although it has some risks. Risk First, risk associated with unfamiliarity with high-risk application. The Greenleaf Group has no experience using the property sales and the rental application system, and some members of the Greenleaf Group also lack a good understanding of the property sales and rental application system and had no experience developing a recipe application system, and risk associated with unfamiliarity with technology in medium risk. One implementation of special feature requires additional understanding. A clear user guide can reduce technical barriers. And next, my friend will explain this project. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello guys. My name is Muhammad Zidanilako, and now I will explain feasibility analysis of our project. So the risk related to project size is high risk because the potentially large project, and the Greenleaf Group has a total of 4 developers. The project is carried out by 4 developers with an estimated time of 5 months. Just only 5 months. Risk of compatibility with existing systems and infrastructure moderate risk. First one, integration with existing systems and infrastructure needs in-depth in understanding. And the second one, careful planning and testing is required to ensure compatibility and good performance. And number two is economic feasibility. Cost benefit analysis has been conducted. The property sales and rental application system has a good opportunity to increase the income of the Daun Hijau group. Uh, the first one is return of investment. after 4 years, break-even point, and total profit after 4 years. And number three is there is a organizational feasibility. Organizationally, the risk is low. The purpose of developing the Shopperty application is to help people who are looking for property, rental house, and boarding houses. This project can go according to a plan where the Greenleaf Group will create a Shopperty application which has interesting features that do not yet exist in existing applications, and the Greenleaf Group will try to fulfill all the requirements that exist in making the application. Users will accept the Shopperty application well because this application has interesting features that do not yet exist in other applications. The target of this project is not only for one particular group, but for all groups from teenagers to parents. Number four, there is time feasibility. The time needed to build this project is about 5 months. And number five, legal feasibility. The project that was built is in accordance with the terms and conditions of the applicable law because the applications or software used has obtained a license, which means that legally the software is legal. And the last part, uh, there is the table of feasibility analysis from our project, as you can see. And so that's it. Thank you listening for thank you for listening my part, and the next part will be explained by my friends. Okay, thank you.
System request. System request has 6 elements. First, project name. Our project name Shopperty. That is property and house rental app. Second, project sponsor. Our project sponsor is Greenleaf Group. Third, business need. Project reason. In response to changing customer patterns that are increasingly dependent on technology and the increasingly demand for accessibility and efficiency in searching, comparing, and buying or renting properties online. Fourth, business requirements. There is separate accounts for buyers and sellers have separate login accounts to reduce the risk of fraud. Uh, Messaging feature allows direct communication between buyers and sellers to discuss and negotiate. Map feature display the exact location of the property to make it easier for prospective buyers to check. News and discounts feature provides buyers with up-to-date information on available properties and discount. Search engine make it easy for buyers to search for properties based on certain criteria. Home view, there is display various types of properties to make it easier to buyers to search. Service feature allows buyers to request third-party assistance to inspect properties. Reporting feature allows users to report cheating or fraud. Uh, Next, price estimate provide an estimate of the property price according to the fund that the buyers has. Fifth, there is business value, increase increase efficiency and accessibility in property search and transaction. There is increased transparency and security in the property transaction process. Uh, there is open new business opportunities for property industry players. The final one, there is special issues, has the need for a strong security system to protect users' personal data. Challenge in managing and processing large property data, quick and effective handling of complaints and reports relate to fraud or cheating. Features. First, there is account. Buyers and sellers have different login accounts. The function is to reduce the risk of fraud and cheating. Uh, there is message for messaging feature between buyers and sellers to discuss. The next one is change price. Has the features of changing the price in the message, so the seller and buyers can make an agreement and change the selling price of the seller by agreement of both parties.
My name is Elena Kapiani, stud number 23 17 05 156. For ada maps, the map feature, the property you want to rent and sell will be given the exact location point on the map. Its function is to make it easier for the buyer to check the property. Number 4, news and discount. News and discount features on the homepage to make it easier for buyers to find out the market price of property. Number 6, search engine. Search engine property search to make it easier for clients to find the desired property. Can search through location, property from monthly or annual rent dan sebagainya. Number 7, display. In the initial display, several types of properties will appear, such as boarding house, rental house, houses for sale, apartments, etc., making it easier for buyers to find the property they want. Number 6, third-party service. Third-party service or assistant feature. The function is to check the location and the condition of the property so as to facilitate buyers who can directly check it due to distance constraints. Number 9, report and complaint. Report and complaint features. This can be used for sellers or buyers so they can complain or report if one party commits fraud or fraud. Number 6, number 10, price estimation. Price estimation feature, so buyers can sort the price according to their funds. And then price and future for sellers. Price and future for sellers. So sellers can place at a certain rate so that how many properties are displayed on the application homepage. Sales feature. Sales feature, so sellers can create price, description and photos of properties for sale. This feature can only be used for sales account. And then use case diagram. Buyer. In the first stage, the buyer can log in and register an account as a buyer. Number 2, search for service or property can also estimate price. Number 3, question and answer about the property can be sent via message and telephone with the seller. Here also buyers can also ask for party assistance to help in the buying and selling process. For make payment, seller, number 1, login and register an account as a seller. Number 2, create a service or property catalog. Can add a new rental property or property and change the price of the item being sold. Number 3, place ads and discount on the platform to attract a wider range of customers. Number 4, enlist the help of third-party service to expedite the buying and selling process. Number 5, managing profiles. Third party. Number 1, can provide consultation to customer and buyers to facilitate and smooth the buying and selling process. Number 2, checking the location or availability of property. Admin. Number 1, login as admin. Number 2, manage transaction result and save seller and buyer transaction history. Number 3, liaison between buyer, sellers, and third parties. Sekian presentasi pada kali ini. Kami ucapkan terima kasih. Maaf apabila ada salah kata dalam penyampaian atau ada yang kurang. Kami ucapkan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.